Since Instagram introduced hidden mentions in stories, curiosity has been buzzing about who's actually being tagged without their names showing up. To see hidden mentions on Instagram stories, you'll need to use a computer. Here's how. Start by opening the Instagram story you want to investigate. Pause the story so it doesn't move forward while you're working. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Open Source. It's usually right above the Inspect option. Sometimes the Open Source button doesn't appear. If that is the case, right-click on the Send or Like button. Next, press Ctrl+F to open the search bar. Type in IG_mention and hit Enter. You'll see any hidden mentions right in the story source code. They'll show up formatted like this. This method works for both private and public accounts, and the best part is that no one gets notified. While Instagram tries to keep mentions hidden, a bit of technical know-how can reveal them. This is just a short tutorial. If you want more info on the topic, you can read our blog article. Link will be in the description. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Instagram tips.